Today we took a train to one of our local parks. I have a funny story. So I took the train today and I got all turned around. And I actually went the wrong way to get to this park. And I got off 2 stops the wrong way, and then I got back on and got off again, and I was like, where is this park? And I realized the actual stop I had originally gotten onto from the bus, the stop I needed was more north than that stop, and that's why I kept getting off too early. So got back on the train, successfully made it to the park. The light rail is fantastic when you don't have a car, which I don't. We're a 1-car household. It's great. The bus is great. The light rail is wonderful. Yeah, you talking back there? And my husband actually helped build the light rail, so I really appreciate what he did, and that we all get to use it now. And today I'm using crayons, Crayola crayons, I believe. C is for Columbine. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You know how much, dear, I really love you. So don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, while I was sleeping, I dreamt I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was forsaken. So I hung my head and I cried. Ka'okulu cha. Wait, how does that go? Ka'okulu chandu. Alright, that's how it goes. It goes Ka'okulu chandu. Ka'okulu chandu. That's all I know of the mong of You Are My Sunshine. I used to know a little bit more. So I'm going to be starting a new series of coloring, which will specifically be coloring in different parks in my local area and going by train. And if I want to travel long distances, the light rail is very fast. It's a great way to get around. And I love the idea of when you're a kid, I mean, where were you? You were playing at the park, right? So I love the idea of tapping into the childlike joy of going to a park and coloring while there. And I'm just so excited to explore new parks and coloring opportunities by being able to travel on the light rail. There will be a series of videos, different coloring books probably, and the theme will be coloring in parks via the light rail. So keep your eyes open for those new videos. I hope you enjoy them. Maybe I'll go to other places, but I think public parks will be the main focus of these upcoming videos. Color With Me train series. Got a nice ring to it. Come color with us again. Until next time, bye.